Okay, in the previous topic we have learned about multiplication and division of algebraic fractions. Now we learn about the addition and subtraction. Alright, so recap. We have learned how to simplify linear expressions with fractional coefficients. Yeah, of course, we have. In book 1, last year, yeah? So for example, x over 3 plus 2x minus 5 over 7. How are we going to simplify this? Of course, by turning them into like fractions, yeah? Find the common denominator. So in order to do that, we times 7 to both the numerator and denominator for this fraction, and this one times 3 to both. So, okay, and then the 3 times in, expand the bracket, yeah? It becomes 6x minus 15. And then that will be 13x minus 15 over 21. If you forget about doing how to do this already, I think you need to refer back to last year's book. You need to learn all over again. Okay, for now I'll continue first. Now we are going to learn the algebraic fractions, which is the same thing. It's just that now we have variables here. Express each of the following as a fraction in its simplest form. Two over 3a plus 3 over 5a. So yeah, turn them into like fractions. So 10 over 15a plus 9 over 15a. 19 over 15a. Very easy. Number B. Let's start. B and C. Both have B and C. Okay. So let's see what they do here. They pull out the common factors from the denominator. Common factors. So from 2 and 4 they can pull out 2. From 3 and 6 they can pull out 3. Now you will have B minus 2C on both. So shall factorize the denominators, yeah? Now convert to like fractions. The reason you pull out this, the reason you factorize, you pull out the 2 and 3, so you can see clearly what to multiply to make them the same. So you have to times 3 here and times 2 here. It's clear now. While if it's still in this form, it's very hard to tell, right? Right. So after this will turn into 9 and 4, and after that you can combine them. Just combine them. 13 over 6 times b minus 2c. And lastly for number C, just from looking at this, we can tell what to do already actually if you have mastered the last chapter, the previous chapter. They look the same, almost exactly the same. They both have h and 2k, except that their sign is reversed. For h is positive here, now here is negative. For 2k it's negative here, now it's positive here. So guess what you can do here. Of course, you either pull out minus from either here or here. Let's see. Yes, correct. You pull out minus from 2k minus h, and then they'll change that to h minus 2k. Yeah, that's the trick. Now, not to do with this minus. Now, this minus here and this minus here, negative means negative become positive, right? So yeah. And after that, you can just combine. So 2h plus 3k over h over 2k, done. Even though it doesn't look like very simple, but at least you already combine it into single fraction. Express each of the following as a fraction in its simplest form. Right. Okay, so for this one, yeah, it's not as simple as you times 3 here and times 5 here. You can't, because it's addition, right? And subtraction, you cannot do just like that. So you have to times the whole thing. So for this one, you have x plus 5. So you have to times both by x minus 3. For this, you have to times both by x plus 5, both top and bottom, yeah, to make them become the same. So yeah, the numerator for this become 3 times x minus 3, which is 3x minus 9. This one becomes 1 times x plus 5, which is just x plus 5. Combine them together. 3x plus x, 4x minus 9, and plus 5 becomes minus 4. Done. You don't need to expand this denominator. Just let it be like that. Right. So for this one, how are we going to do it? Are we going to do it the same way? So times y minus 2 to both here, and times y squared minus 4 to both here. That will be too complicated. That will form a y cube, y to the power of 3. Right? Can you tell? So we are going to avoid that. So let's examine this y squared minus 4 here. It's actually, we can also say this is y squared minus 2 squared. 4 is 2 squared, right? So y squared minus 2 squared. Using the formula here, a squared minus b squared, we can turn this into y plus 2 times y minus 2 here. Now, yeah, okay, now it's very clear, very obvious. We can see that they both now have y minus 2, but this one have y plus 2, this one does not have. So we need to only times these both by y plus 2 and do nothing here. That will make them the same already. So turn into live fractions. After that, expand this bracket. So yeah, look at that, they can combine it first. So 5y minus 2y, 5y minus 2 times y plus 2 here. And then you expand. Remember, when you expand, when you times in negative 2, not just 2. Negative 2 times in, negative 2 times x, times y, negative 2y. Negative 2 times positive 2, negative 4. Remember, yeah? That's very important. Okay, so that will become 3y minus 4, and then done. Okay, that's the end of this presentation. So bye bye.